Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part two, and I have no idea if it's going to work. I didn't think this was going to work. It came out okay in the part one, but last time I used a perspective. This time I'm going to try something else. I am going to go text the path and put it on our path and kind of angle it over here. Really ought to use more wordage. I'll tell you what, let's do that. Let me let me make my ellipse a little smaller. And let's use this again. Text the path. You go around the circle. That doesn't look too bad. But then what I'm going to do, and I'm going to try this, I don't know if it works, select it all, go to object and break the text apart and get rid of this circle. Now I'm actually going to make it blue just for grins, and I'm going to go to the extrude tool. And I'm going to try to extrude that somewhat so we can do something with it. Now I've got it really, really thick so I can make it a little thinner. And now, because it's an extrude tool, we can use the extrude rotation. And we want it like that. And then maybe bring it back down a little bit. Now we still got the extrude tool so we can move it and get it thinner. So it kind of, I don't know if we can get it any thinner than that. It kind of gives you that look. Some of the letters look good, some of them don't. And then let's turn it back to black. And see that you can see this on the smaller letters that it extruded. Let's see if we can't go to object and break the extrude groove apart. Wow, it worked. This might work. Let's take that. So now we got our circle. Now if we Control D and make a duplicate and bring this in and just nudge it over a little bit, make it a little bit smaller in both directions, and then Control D again. Wow. Now if I would have used more wordage and played with my placement of the text to path, and maybe even reverse the lettering to have it read this way, and like I said, if I had it so it needs to go the opposite direction, I might try to figure that out later. But they had so many wordage that it's actually going all the way around the circle, even at the front. These are letters that have just been really, so the extrude tool, I think, helped a lot. And you could still, like I did in the last video, you could still take these that didn't quite get as big, because Corel kept making it a little bit smaller, a little bit smaller. You could get it. Now you'd have to manually kind of do this, but it is a cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.